Nintendogs Fantasy here, and it's been a while, and I'm sorry we haven't posted anything lately. Results. Here's her icon and stuff. This is her personality and her points, and her tricks. She needs to learn 4 more tricks. And then finally her results. So, yeah. Kenny, you're gonna try. Kenny still hasn't beaten Junior Cup in this. So, let's go ahead and try this. Hopefully Kenny can do it.
Let's do our hopes. Hopes up. Ready, Kenny? Ready, Kenny? That rhymes. Ready, Kenny? Jump! Whee! Good start. We're losing, but at least we got some points. Who did it? Who did it, Ken? No! Kenny! Oh, that was my mistake. I can't go this properly. No, don't do the loop-de-loop! Kenny, Kenny! No, don't do it. Come on, come on. Come on, Kenny. Come on, buddy. It's okay. It's okay. Go get it. Jump! Yeah, Kenny. Oh, we still got only 4 points in that. Wow, I thought that was in the yellow section. Ready, Kenny? Go get it! Jump! Yeah, Kenny! We're tied.
Ken. We're gonna do the disc one more time, and hopefully we'll win Junior Cup. Okay, ready, Kenny? Ready? Ready?
Ready. Oh, look, she is. Ready, Kenny? Go get it. Go get it. Ready. Good job, Kenny. We're doing that. We're winning. Ready, Kenny? Ready? Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. And jump to the camera. Okay, that's good enough. Come on, champions. We're winning. We're winning by 11 points. We're gonna let Indog beat us. Ready, Kenny? Jump. Yeah, that air jump, though. Okay, we're winning by 6 points. Come on, champions. We're gonna win.
Okay. Shake paw.